Before I went to Paris the first time, I crammed my brain full of French words and French phrases, hoping that I would get there and speak the language. What I learned was I had a long way to go. Which is fine, because really I only needed to learn 5 or 6 phrases and I could get through all of Paris without a problem. So here they are. Number 1.
Bonjour.
Anytime you walk into a store or you meet someone on the street, you say, Bonjour. That's the proper way to greet someone in Paris. Once Jeff walked into a store and said, au revoir, which is goodbye. The shop owner laughed so hard, and when she was finally done, she said, no, that's goodbye. Try bonjour. That's how we say it in Paris. And then she said, okay, you try. You'll find that most Parisians are very kind, and really, they're grateful that you gave it a go. Number 2.
De rien.
That means, you're welcome. Number 3.
Merci.
That means, thank you. Number 4.
L'addition, s'il vous plaît.
That means, check please. It might seem strange to us because we eat our food very quickly and then leave, but Parisians sit for a long time when they eat. They enjoy the food, they enjoy the company, and they enjoy just being together in this spot. Once you're seated, they'll bring you your food and then they'll leave you until you're ready to go, and that could be hours. So when you're ready to go, you simply wave them down and say,
L'addition, s'il vous plaît.
And they will bring you your check. This is a bonus. S'il vous plaît means please. So anytime you're ordering something or you're asking for something, add s'il vous plaît to the end. It's that simple. And number 5.
Parlez-vous anglais?
Do you speak English? Most of them do, and they'll be quite happy to speak English with you once you've tried to speak with them in their language. We found this to be an important phrase, so it's our bonus phrase.
Un carafe d'eau.
When you're asking for water, just know that their idea and our idea of a cup of water are 2 totally different things. They're going to bring you a carafe, which is slightly larger than the size of a cup here in America, and 2 tiny little cups. Oh, and you won't be getting ice. That costs extra. Okay, you're all set. If you're curious about the things that I always bring home from Paris, watch this video next.